Would everyone please take a seat?
Starlight?
I think she's off the grid.
Fucking find her.
This bipartisan committee is called to order. Investigating Vought International and its production and distribution of Compound V, which I hereby present to the committee as
This is it.
Mr. Chairman, if I may. The testimony we're about to hear today will prove that Vought is guilty of corporate malfeasance and multiple felonies. And it'll come from someone that has witnessed these crimes directly.
The chair calls former CSO of Vought, Dr. Jonah Vogelbaum. Okay. Quiet, everybody. Quiet.
Gotcha, cunt.
Dr. Vogelbaum, thank you for joining us today. Raise your right hand. Do you swear that the testimony you're about to give today will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Thank you. You have 5 minutes to make your opening statement.
What the fuck do we do now?